get it all day. Slow it down, let me get a replay. The way you just put it on me, on me. Run it back, run it back, run it back for me. Whoa. I wanna put you on my team. Run it back for me. Whoa.
Hey guys, it's your girl NueNew The Hair Diva, and I am back once again with another buy it to try it throwback makeup reviews. I hope you guys are enjoying these reviews because I am. It's really giving me the opportunity to look through the makeup that I haven't been using or use but don't find myself using as much, and I just wanted to let y'all know if these items were worth getting or not. Now, I left my information over there on the bed. Let me grab it. Okay, got my information. I'm gonna leave that in the video because this is real life and real life things happen. Okay, so like I told you in all the other videos, I'm going to try to make these as short as I possibly can. What we're going to be doing is reviewing products that YouTube hyped us up on, and many of us purchase these items, but you no longer see a video, a makeup look, a tutorial, or anything using these products anymore. So this video is going to be on the VAMP stamp. And as we go through the things that I'm going to talk to you about, I will have pictures over here on the side explaining everything that I am talking about. Alright, the VAMP stamp. You can get this at thevampstamp.com. It is recommended to only purchase it from the actual website, because these are sold on eBay as well as Amazon. However, I had the owner actually tell me on Instagram during one of my previous reviews to make sure that I get it only from her site, of course, because the other ones could be knockoffs or counterfeits. So we don't want to do that. So I have the VAMP stamp here, and let me just tell you what it is. It is a 3-piece set that looks like this. You have VAMP and hair. That's gross. You have the VAMP, which is the ink that you will use. You have the actual VAMP stamp, the VAMP stamper. And then you have a angled stiff brush. Those 3 pieces come as a set, but you can also buy the ink and the stamper separately. So VAVA ink with stamper. On the actual website, it has about 10 reviews. It comes in a plastic container, and it does have a seal over the product. So let me just show you that. Right now, it comes with that seal over the product, and it is also a cushion base product with ink on the inside. I do suggest that this seal, when you pull it off, that you keep it and place it back on and leave the lid on tightly, because this can dry out pretty fast if it's not on very tight. The regular price of these was $38, and now, as of me checking yesterday, it is on sale at $29. When I initially purchased this, I will have a video linked above of my first buy it to try it of the VAMP stamp. You will see me actually putting on the product. I think it's a very informative video, but this is me re-evaluating the product altogether. The ink at that time only came in black. As of now, they have 2 new colors, which is gold bronze and rose metallic. The ink by itself costs $19, and there is about 8 reviews for it. You can give a take with that as far as if you want to know the reviews. There are YouTube reviews about it as well, but it's been a while, so like I said, you haven't heard about it since. The stamper alone is $19 as well. There's only 3 reviews on that, and the actual color is black and purple. And now they have a new one, which is pink. And I didn't write the name down of that, but it is a new size because it comes in 3 sizes. You have small, which is kitten, medium, and large. And the owner, her name is Veronica Lorenz, and she created this and patented it in 2014 and then launched it last year, 2017. And I believe that's around the time that I brought it. If not, it was very early 2018. Like I said before, the tool here is made of hard plastic and it's silicone arrows on both sides. If you can see that, that's the arrow there. And you do have a left and right side to this. What I learned about this product, using the stamper, you still will need a steady hand. She created this because she started having some problems. I think it was like muscular problems, and her hands weren't steady, and she loved to wear wing line, so she decided to create this product so that she could get straight wing lines. And I think it is wonderful to do that because there are many of us, including me, who want to wear wing lines but aren't able to create them freehandedly. So I was glad that she came up with this product. There is still a learning curve to using this product. With the arrowheads, pardon me, you have to make sure that whatever way you hold it for one eye is the exact same way you hold it for the other eye, or else you'll have one going up and one going down. And if you watch my previous video on this, you will see all about that. The ink can dry out quickly, or depending on how much you use it. So it's not a lot of product in there, and I tried to find out how much product was in the VAMP here. I tried to find out, and it doesn't say on the container, and it didn't say online. And if you guys actually check the VAMP Stamp website, which I will have below in case you want to just look at it and get some ideas or purchase it, let me know if you find out how much product is in the packaging. It is very easy to clean up. You can use a makeup wipe, soap and water, and you just want to clean off both sides after using it so that the ink doesn't dry onto it. But even if it does, you can still get it off. This liner, this angled liner that you have here, it looks like that. This is very, very stiff. You can use this inside the ink and create yourself a line or make your wing line a little bigger, straighten it out. It's okay. I won't say it wasn't needed because there are some people that may need it for its firmness, but you could also use a liquid liner to do that corrections as well. You can't necessarily use a liquid liner and rub it on the VAMP. It needs to be another name for this and rub it on the VAMP stamp because it will dry too fast. So it is definitely recommended to use with the cushion based ink. And if you are wanting more colors, like I said, she has come out with 2 other colors. But if you have other inks that are made for the eye, you could possibly use that as well. I haven't tried it with any gel liners or anything like that, but it's something that I might try. Was it worth it? For me, yes. I have shaky hands and I have to wear glasses, so I have to get real close to the mirror to see what I'm doing, and because of that I usually free-handedly mess up my wing lines. Having this has given me the opportunity to create the initial part of the wing, which is the fatter part on the ends, and it look very nicely. I have used it enough to learn how to give myself wing line that's not curved, but I'm still working on it. So it's a product that I use, but I need to use more of. I also say in my comments to definitely check out my first initial video. I give you the breakdown of why I purchased it, what I learned about it is in this video, but why I purchased it, and like I said, you will see a demo of me using it as well. I did my makeup today and I used the VAMP stamp as well. So what I'm going to do is zoom in, and this is what my shadow look like, y'all. NueNew doing something here. So this is what the wing line looks like. When I close my eye, it's still pretty straight. When I open it up, it looks good. And I use my liquid liner to just come out a little further for the peak and fill it in there. On this eye, I actually used the angled brush and filled it in. And on this eye here, as you can see, it was just a little bit of a curve, but I sat up there and I cleaned it up. I used some concealer just to make the line a little straighter, and then I used my liquid liner to create the line on the eye so that I could have two different versions of how I was using it. Ta-da! Yes, yes, yes. I am excited about these videos. I have other products that I'm going to talk to you about that I have initial either unboxing or purchasing or reviews on, so be sure to look out for that. If you are enjoying these videos, let me know in the comments. I really do appreciate that, and I respond to everyone that leaves me a comment. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, subscribing, hitting the bell. That works. I really love that. And to all my regular supporters, bless you, thank you. I really appreciate you sticking with me through all of these long and now short videos. I will end this by saying to all be blessed, wear your makeup, save your money, check out the other VAMP stamp video, and then I will see you in a few days with the next video. Oh, and there'll be pictures too. Bye.
Girl, you can get it all